Hello and welcome to AutoSportiva. We have a fantastic product to show you which will help retain the value and condition of your next new vehicle. And that is Shine. Shine is the mobile smart repair service where you can make a single payment to cover up to 7 areas of damage per year. Shine covers scratches, dents, stone chips, up to 30 centimeters in length, 3 millimeters deep, and with stone chips up to 5 millimeters in diameter. Now let's take this Range Rover Sport for example. As you can see, there's a nasty scuff on the front corner. We use the Shine chart here as an example to see if it fits, and it indeed does, therefore it's time to get to work. Better yet, Shine comes to your home or workplace, so it's all completely hassle-free. Their fully qualified in-house painters will repair up to 4 areas of damage in one call-out. We offer 1, 2 and 3 year cover, which is perfect for keeping your vehicle in showroom condition during a PCP finance term, hence maintaining the value of your vehicle during your ownership and at the point of selling or part exchanging. And just like that, the car looks brand new again. Save yourself costly repair bills with Shine. Contact your sales advisor for further details and visit shinerepairs.com for terms and conditions.